The first part of question 2 asks us to determine if the following method will properly return if a tree is a binary tree, and it does so by checking if the value of a node is greater than its left child and less than its right child. This is actually not sufficient because it does not ensure that every node value is greater than every node in the left subtree and less than every node in the right subtree. So for example, if the following tree were to be inputted to the method, it would incorrectly return true, since node 12 is in the left subtree of node 10, but it is greater than 10. So we can fix this by passing in a predefined minimum and maximum when recursing on subtrees. So since our root node can have any value, we can define its minimum and maximum value as negative infinity and positive infinity in our initial call to the recursive helper function. So the first thing we need to do in a recursive function is define a base case, and this would just be when t is null, in which we would return true. Next, we want to check if the value of t is between the predefined intervals. So if t.val is less than min, or if t.val is greater than max, we want to return false. And lastly, we want to check if the left and right subtrees uphold BST invariance as well. So we return the logical AND of both calls. Since all nodes of the left subtree should be less than the root, the interval passed in for this function call should be the current node's minimum and the current node's value. Along the same lines, we want all nodes of the right subtree to be greater than t's value. So the interval passed in would be between t's value and the current maximum.